Officer, you may proceed at this time.
Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Donald Coleman presiding. While court is in session, there will be no eating, sleeping, talking, gum chewing, or reading of materials. Thank you.
Buenos días. La corte empieza en sesión con el honorable juez. Por favor, mientras estamos aquí, es como si usted estuviera presente en la corte. No puede acostarse, no puede tener sombrero, no puede comer, no.
Okay.
This is case number 24-158707. This is MS of Redford versus Star Floyd. The matter is before the court on the issuance of a subpoena. Today's date time set for disclosure of information in that regard. Your appearance for NMS of Redford, your appearance, please. All right, do I have Star Floyd on this Zoom? All right, anyone from NMS of Redford or National Storage Center of Redford? It appears that the defendant, the petitioner has not appeared regarding that matter. The subpoena would then be dismissed. Madam Clerk, on this one, they're not on here. They have a settlement on this.
They are on.
They are on the Zoom.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. This is case number 24-152700. This is Henry Ford Health System versus Citizens United. The matter is before the court set on for a pretrial conference. Your appearance for Henry Ford, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Paul Millenbach, P42795.
Thank you, Mr. Millenbach, and good morning to you, sir. I'm looking now for Cure. Your appearance at this time.
Morning, Your Honor. Beckett McGowan on behalf of Defendant Cure.
And go ahead and put your P number on the record, if you will, Mr. McGowan.
Oh, sorry. Yes, that is P87104.
All right, thank you, Counsel. Good morning to you as well. I have a little notation here indicating that the parties have resolved this matter and will be sending some paperwork in. Can you speak to that, Mr. Millenbach?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. McGowan and I settled it over the weekend, more or less. So he's going to send me a release. I'll have my client sign it. I'll return it to him and sign a stipulation to dismiss.
All right, very well. I will put that notation on the file. I will calendar this matter 30 days hence in anticipation of receiving the final paperwork, right?
Thank you.
Yes. Gentlemen, good day to you.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The court now calls case number 24-163434. This is Evergreen Health and Rehab LLC versus Alfonso Wheeler. The matter is before the court set on for a status conference. This is the first hearing regarding this matter. The claim alleges damages of $17,715 in this matter. Your appearance for Evergreen, please.
Thank you, Judge. This is Titus Donnell, P87307, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Donnell, and good morning to you, sir. I am looking now for Mr. Alfonso Wheeler. If you're on the Zoom or represented by counsel, please say something at this time. Alfonso Wheeler. Alfonso Wheeler. The record should reflect that the court did receive a document that the court treated as an answer for purposes of setting this hearing. That was a typed letter directed to Judge Coleman. And the Patricia Wheeler indicates that she is sending, writing this answer regarding the summons, disputing the plaintiff's charges. She further said, I've sat with personnel handling the charges of Alfonso once a year and was never told of these substantial damages. Never told of a delinquency. She says that her husband is a resident at Evergreen Health and Rehab. All right, so are either of the Wheelers on this Zoom? All right, counsel, update me. Tell me what's going on here to the best of your knowledge.
Thank you, Judge. My understanding that Patricia Wheeler has been formally granted guardianship, so she did have authority, and I'm looking at Oakland County Probate case 2022-406608-GA, in which Patricia Wheeler was granted guardianship. So I do believe she had authority to sign on behalf of Alfonso. Today, I just asked that the court grant me leave to pursue discovery on the Wheelers and see if we can hash that out, with the anticipation of probably filing a motion for summary disposition sometime down the road if a resolution cannot be reached.
All right, thank you, Council. Thank you for that update. Yeah, I think that that's a reasonable way to go forward. So I'm going to go ahead and set it on a 60-day discovery calendar. I will send out a scheduling order, and that scheduling order is going to set forth the next action date in this matter. Just one moment, Council. And that next action date is going to be the 4th of June, June 4 at 9:30. In the document that I'm going to send to you as well as to the other side, Council, it will have that date of June 4th, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. It will also point out that discovery is open through that date, and it will point out other relevant information regarding scheduling. The most critical of which, of course, is June 4th. 2025 at 9:30 a.m. Discovery is open through that time. You'll get the scheduling order from me in the next few days. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Good day to you, sir.
You too, sir.
All right, the court now calls case number 24-170900. This is the Cooperators General Insurance Company versus Maynor Gonzalez Pedro. Matter is before the court, set for a status conference. This is the first hearing regarding this matter. The claim alleges damages of $11,695.08. Your appearance for the plaintiff in this matter, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Joel Grand, P51261 on behalf of plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Grand. Good morning to you, sir. I am looking for Mr. Gonzalez Pedro. If you're on the Zoom, please say something at this time. Right. Any person connected to the cooperators case versus Gonzalez Pedro. If you're on the Zoom, say something at this time. All right, counsel, update me as best as you can regarding where things are. Have you received an answer?
We did receive an answer. Mr. Gonzalez is in the courtroom. He doesn't speak English. There is also Gloria, the Spanish interpreter, is here, though she may have had to duck to another courtroom. At this point, I believe we just are going to need to schedule some dates and get some discovery done.
All right, counsel. Let me see if I can get the interpreter back in. So just stand down for just a moment. We'll call on the other matter. I'm coming right back to you. All right, this is case number 24-173348. This is Discover Bank versus Andre Adams. Matters before the court set on for a status conference. The first hearing regarding this matter, record should reflect that the claim in this matter alleges damages in the amount of $2,997.33. I am in receipt of the defendant's answer in this matter, which indicates that in this that the amount different.
Your Honor, if I may, start it. Yeah, William Salum, P41487, appearing on behalf of Discover Bank. I had a chance to talk to Mr. Adams. He's here. We've agreed on a consent judgment with the damage amount of $2,997.33, court cost of $114.02 for a total judgment amount of $3,111.35. Mr. Adams agrees to pay the judgment in $150 monthly payments beginning April 30th, 2025, with each payment due by the end of the month. He also agrees to allow me to sign his name by consent to the judgment, which I'll then present to the court. And if the court wants to give us like a control date in 30 days or whatever time period would be fine, but I'm pretty confident our office will have the paperwork to the court before that and no one will need to appear. Mr. Adams, can you unmute your microphone?
Let me, are you Adam, are you Andre Adams, sir?
Yes.
All right. You've heard the attorney for Discover Bank has put some items on the record indicating that there's a stipulation for entry of a consent judgment at $3,111.35 with an agreement for monthly payments of $150 per month commencing on April 30th of 2025 until the judgment is paid. He further says that the parties have stipulated that, given that this is on the record now, that he could put your name on the document by consent, so long as the terms meet with what has been agreed upon here. Is that your agreement, Mr. Adams?
It is.
Anything you wanted to bring to my attention at this time, sir?
No, that's it.
All right, very well. The court will conclude that there has been a consent reached in this matter, and the court will conclude that the matter has been resolved accordingly. I'll put the matter over for 30 days without date, however, to allow for the paperwork to populate, right?
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Both sides will. Good day to you.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Adams.
And we're back on the record regarding the cooperators general insurance versus Maynard Gonzalez Pedro. The matter is before the court for status conference. Counsel for the plaintiff, Mr. Grant, has ended his appearance regarding this matter. I believe that there is a certified interpreter on this Zoom. Your name for the record, please. Madam Interpreter, are you on this matter?
The interpreter is here. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right, what is your name for the record, ma'am? I'm sorry.
I couldn't hear that. I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem, ma'am. What is your name? State your name for the record, Madam Interpreter.
Yes, my name is Gloria Guerra Vigen, Guerra-B as in boy, I-E-G-E-N.
All right, thank you very much, ma'am. And you are here to interpret on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez Pedro. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor.
That would be from English to Spanish and Spanish to English. Is that correct, ma'am?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, would you raise your right hand to be sworn at this time? You do solemnly swear affirm that you will interpret the truth to the best of your ability from English to Spanish and Spanish to English. So help you God.
I do.
Thank you. Good morning to you, Mr. Gonzalez Pedro.
Buenos días, señor González.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Thank you. This case is cooperators versus Mr. Gonzalez Pedro.
Este caso es en colaboración con el señor González Pedro.
And this is a status conference.
Es una conferencia de estado.
This is the first hearing in this case.
Es la primera audiencia en este caso.
I received the answer
Yo he recibido la respuesta
and the claim in this matter.
y el tiempo de este asunto.
The amount of the claim is alleged to be
El monto de esta demanda se alega que es
$11,695.08.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. May I have repetition of the amount? 1,600?
11,000.
Oh, 11,000.
$695.08.
11,600. Thank you. El monto de esta demanda se reclama que alegadamente son $11,000 $695.08.
And I received your answer saying that you are not responsible.
He recibido su respuesta diciendo que usted no es responsable.
Así es.
The
That's
attorney,
right.
the attorney for cooperators is Mr. Grand.
El abogado de la cooperación de cooperators es el señor Grand.
He is present and has asked the court to set up a scheduling board.
Él está aquí presente y ha pedido a este tribunal de poner una nueva fecha.
Ok.
Is there anything that you wanted to bring to my attention at this time?
¿Es algo que usted quisiera poner en mi atención en este momento, señor González?
Ok.
Okay.
Oh, he says, okay. All right, very well. So Mr. Grant and Mr. Gonzalez Pedro, the new date in this matter is going to be June the 4th, 2025 at 9:45 a.m.
Ok, señor González, la nueva fecha para este asunto va a ser el mes de junio, día 4 del año 2025 a las 9:45 de la mañana.
Eh,
I am going to send out a scheduling order that will have that date in it.
Yo voy a mandar una orden con esa fecha que está aquí agendándose.
ok.
It will also allow for discovery, which is the exchange of information between the parties.
Y eso también va a permitir que podamos recibir la información que se intercambia en las dos partes.
Ok.
The document will be in English, so you may want to speak to someone to help you interpret the document.
Ese documento estará en inglés, así que es posible que usted quiera pedirle ayuda a alguien que hable inglés para que le pueda ayudar a traducir ese documento.
Ok.
Ok.
Mr. Grant, anything at this time?
Señor Grant, ¿algo más en este momento?
No, other than requesting, I believe you've already ordered discovery.
No, no nada más, solo pedirle que ordene la información, pero pienso que ya lo ha hecho.
All right, very well. You will get paperwork from me in the next few days, and I will see you on the 4th of June.
Muy bien, entonces van a recibir esos documentos en los siguientes días que vengan de este tribunal y yo los veré aquí en la siguiente fecha que es junio 4.
Junio 4, ¿a qué hora?
June 4th, at what time?
9:45 a.m.
9:45 de la mañana.
Ok.
Ok,
All right, good day to all.
ok, que tengan buen día todos.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ok.
Gracias, su señoría. Thank you. Your Honor. Have a good day.
You're all set, sir. Good day to you.